Assalamu alaikum everyone, it's me Rubyat Sharmin, a student of BSc in Nursing, first year at College of Nursing, 𝐁𝐚𝐬𝐡, Dhaka. Thank you sir for giving me such a beautiful opportunity to say something about my daily activities or what I usually do every day. Well, first of all, I get up at about 6 a.m. in the morning. After getting up, I freshen up myself and take ablution. Then I pray my Fajr Salat. After Salat, I walk in the corridor about 10 minutes. After walking, I revise my homeworks. Then I take my breakfast with my roommates. After taking breakfast, I pack my bag and get ready for college. Then I go to college about 7:50 a.m. because our first class starts at 8 a.m. After attending 3 classes, we have a tea break. During the tea break, I take some snacks and start tittle-tattle with my friends. After that, I attend another 3 classes. I usually go back hostel at 2:30 p.m. Shortly after that, I take a shower and cite my Zohar Namaz. Then I take my midday meal. After taking midday meal, I walk for a while and take a short nap. After that, after getting up, I cite my Asr Salat. Then I talk with my family members over mobile phone. After talking, I impetrate my Maghrib Salat. And after that, I start study my lessons until 8 a.m. Then I cite my Isha Salat and take my dinner with my friends. After that, I start group study with my roommates. And next, I chat with my school friends for a while. Ultimately, I get ready for sleep, go to bed and have a sound sleep. That's all about me for the time being. Thanks for your listening. Assalamu alaikum.